Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with a quick unboxing and overview of Apple AirTag accessories by ESR. If you've got an AirTag, you probably know it's mostly useless if you don't have any way to attach it to things. ESR has a number of different attachment and protection options available. Let's check out these products in greater detail. So to start off with, let's look at ESR's Leather Keychain option. This is a 2-pack, black and a blue option here. So these have a fairly simple design. You've got a snap here that holds them closed, section here for your AirTag. You can see both sides of the AirTag. And then we have a keychain, which actually is really pretty nice. Easy to get your keys on and off from. This is theoretically genuine leather, not vegan leather. And honestly, looking at it, I can't tell. This could be an artificial leather or it could be real, but seems to be reasonably well made. So putting your AirTag in here, just slip it in, snap it closed, and I mean, it's quite solidly in there. Obviously, you're not going to have any protection against scratching from the front or the back, but the sides are going to be well protected. And you're still going to be able to hear your speaker here because there's little gaps here on the edges, so I think that that's fine. It's going to be easy to get keys on and off. Overall, no real complaints. I don't think it's going to be easy to pop your AirTag out of here without using the snap. It feels sufficiently tight. It's not the Apple AirTag leather keychain, but it's not priced like it either. It's way less expensive. So really not a bad budget option here from ESR. Let's check out the black version. I like the fact that this is easy in, easy out. Seems like a nice sturdy snap. You do have access to both sides, so if you've got an engraving on here, you'll be able to see it. And overall, really quite nice. Moving on to the Silicone AirTag Keychain. So these have exactly the same keychain hardware as the leather option. Same size, same operation, little spring hinge here. But instead of having a snap-in option to keep things secure, this uses the stretchy properties of silicone in order to keep your AirTag secure. Now, I have questions about how secure this is going to be. Okay, well, now it's in there. I mean, is it going to fall off this way? No. Could you push it out? Yeah, sure, because you just pushed it in. I mean, this isn't bad, but I think that the leather option is a whole lot more secure feeling. Though I do like the fact that this one comes in red. I think that's cool. I also have my concerns about this attachment area here. I mean, it looks to me like that could potentially rip. I think that overall this is cute, but it's a lot less protective than the leather option. This one seems much sturdier, but this is smaller and cuter, so there is that. And here's the black option. Again, same thing, you just pop your AirTag in. Again, if you've got engraving, it's going to be visible here. I think it's quite cute, but again, in terms of security, I do have questions. The next option here from ESR is not a keychain, rather it's a stick-on option. Got a 4-pack here, 4 different colors. These are made of a soft, flexible silicone material, has a nice feel to it, has an adhesive on the back so that you can stick them onto things. Seems to be the same material that the silicone keychain is made of. However, the silicone keychain allows you to see both sides of your AirTag, and obviously you're only going to be able to display one side of your AirTag with these. However, I think that that also makes them quite a bit more secure. So popping in your AirTag here, These are easy to get in, but I actually think they're pretty secure once they're in. When you think about the fact that this is going to be stuck onto something, I think it's unlikely that your AirTag is going to manage to spontaneously pop out of here. So I don't really have the same security issues with these as I do with the silicone keychain. This seems to be nice and sturdily made, and with the 3M adhesive, I think that you should be in good shape there. So again, you can put these in with the white side facing out also, if you want to display a custom engraving or something like that. Very sturdy, nicely protected, and if it happens to fall, I think the fact you've got the silicone here is going to give you a certain degree of protection, although not tons of protection. These are not intended to be extremely protective, I don't think. Finally, we have a liquid skin tag protector here. This is basically a skin for your AirTag to protect it against scratches. This is also a 2-pack, so it's going to protect up to 2 AirTags, front and back. You've got a wet wipe to clean the AirTag with, and you've got a microfiber cloth to dry it off with. And then we have the skins themselves. These are designed to be case compatible, so they should work with mini keychain and other types of cases. But of course, like with all skins, they're probably not going to work with all cases. Again, we've been looking at a variety of AirTag accessories from ESR. These products are all available directly from ESR as well as from Amazon.com and are quite reasonably priced. A 2-pack of the Silicone AirTag Keychain is currently selling from between $8.49 and $10.19 and comes in 4 color options: black and black, black and blue, black and red, and black and white. The ESR Leather AirTag Keychain also comes in a 2-pack and is priced between $14.99 and $16.99 depending on the color. Current choices are black and black, blue and black, and brown and black. The ESR Adhesive AirTag Holder 4-pack is $18.99 and comes in black, red, white, and blue colors. And the ESR Liquid AirTag Protector 2-pack is $9.99 and comes in a single, clear option. Many thanks to the kind folks at ESR for sending me these samples to check out. If you've got any questions, please feel free to put them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.